Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a video that kind of displays all of the sounds that a BMW X3, this is a M40i, it's 2020, all the sounds that the car makes when you're actually changing a map or tuning it. I thought it was very interesting with all the different sounds that it makes, from the water pump, maybe even the fuel pressure pump, the ECU, changing maps and things like that. I'm not very technical as far as what's going on under the hood, but the whole car makes very interesting sounds, unlike any other car that I heard before. So I thought I wanted to share it with you guys. The flashing or the tune program that I'm using, I'm tuned on Pro Tuning Freaks by Bootmod 3. And so right now the car has a tune installed on it. What I'm going to be doing is actually taking off the tune, and the car is going to be going back to full 100% stock tune. And we're also going to be locking the DME back again. DME is the ECU. For anyone watching this, this process is going to take a little bit longer, because again, we're flashing back to completely stock and we have to lock the DME versus just the switching a map. If you're doing OTS maps or changing different fuels, maybe going to stage 1 or stage 2, you want to change them out for the weekend or anything else, that typically takes no longer than 60 seconds from beginning to finish, from the time that you boot up, as far as you have your computer connected, versus here it's going to take a few more minutes after that for that. So I'm going to stop talking. Hope you guys enjoy. So here I just downloaded the map and we're ready to flash back into the stock computer parameter settings, as well as locking the DME. All those sounds that you kind of heard were just the car starting up on a regular time. Here, let's go. Stock tune finished. Please turn off ignition, wait 5 seconds, and then start the car.